What's the meaning of apocalypse? Apocalypse. Apocalypse.
Apocalypse. Apocalypse. The word apocalypse refers to a catastrophic event that brings about the end of the world as we know it. It is often associated with religious or mythological beliefs, and can involve natural disasters, wars, or supernatural phenomena. The result of an apocalypse is usually widespread destruction and chaos, leading to the collapse of civilization and the extinction of most or all of humanity. In popular culture, apocalyptic scenarios have been explored in literature, films, video games, and other media, reflecting our enduring fascination with the possibility of impending doom.